So let's jump to the trim. That's what is left, right? Substring returns char from 1 to 4, exactly 1 to 4. So it converts itself to this statement, whichever I have written the bottom of that statement. So our next statements are trim, split, and link. Yeah, any question, Aaron? As 4 space, yeah, 4 space, exactly. Let's say I'll say 5 instead of 4. Now let's take 6. So here, refresh, you see, LW. So it returns from 1 to 6. Okay, fine, great. So the next one is trim. So I'll say var dummy, let's say. Okay, I give spaces, so many spaces, and something dummy, and this, and I'll say print dummy dot trim. Alright, let's see what we got over there. So, oh, function trim native code. I made some mistake over there. Oh, I'm sorry. It should be a method. So you see, the spaces are gone. Now I'll say DSSS and let's give here one more and some more spaces and this. Alright, now let's see what happens. Oh, okay. We have seen this in HTML actually. Spaces are counted as single, how many spaces you give. So in order to have multiple spaces, you have to use our entities, ampersand and BSP. If you guys can remember this. Trim did not do anything over there. It's a default behavior of the browser to take only one space, even if there are multiple spaces in between words on a content. But as far as trim is considered, the first spaces are trimmed off. For that, to show a demo here, let's print dummy first. Okay, let's go ahead and see. The first is dummy, and the next one is trim dummy. So well, not much of a difference it shows. How do I show this? Maybe I can show the source. How do I do this? Well, yeah. Okay, but instead of document.write. Okay, you guys have seen alert, right? So alert will give us a clear picture. Let's see. So refresh. You see the spaces here? This is the dummy. Okay. Now what I do is here original I say. Okay, and I'll alert this too. Saying trimmed. Okay, now let's see. You guys getting it? Alert is a dialog box. So this is the first original. Okay, you can see here the original has spaces and trim. You see trim? There is no space here and there is no space here, but the middle spaces are intact. If you can see. Okay, so that's about trim. And we have split and link. You guys got it? I gotta increase the time again, I guess. So 10 more minutes. I won't eat up the time. Alright. Oh, this class went for 2 hours and 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Very big class. Fine. So the next is split. So let's use the split. I'm just commenting this alert because alert is kind of annoying me. Okay, so let's split dummy itself. So dummy dot split using space. Okay, so I can't show you actually the split only until, yeah, we'll see split in while we talk about arrays. That makes sense. But let's see the link here. Okay, so now for the link where URL of Facebook. Facebook's URL is http www.facebook.com. Alright, now what I want to do is like I want to print my website name as a link with href. Okay, with href website URL. Alright, so I'll be showing the split in tomorrow's class as soon as we talk about the arrays. But yeah, Arun, we're talking about link. So let's go ahead and see the link. See, this is the name which I have given, the website name, and the URL href is that. So I click here, it takes me to the URL, Facebook. Okay, that's the link. So as far as the link is considered, the name is a website name, whatever, it converted between this way, href equal to whatever the URL I have given over there, http and this is the name and this is it. Alright, so guys, that's a long class because I wanted to really take this thing out, like I wanted this to be finished. Strings are very important, so that's the reason I pushed it very hard. Usually, it takes 2 classes to finish off the strings, but yeah, with your help actually I could able to finish it in 1 class. So any questions? I guess I won't. You guys say no questions because you're also running out of time. So watch the videos. Come tomorrow. Bring all your questions here, and I'll be preparing an assignment for you guys. Like already in my mind. Like one we have discussed just now. Like to change everything, you have to use functions and if conditions for that thing to be done. It's a complex one. It takes time. And the other one is find the number of vowels in a sentence, find the number of words in a sentence. There are a lot of things can be done as assignment. Alright, any questions here?